She saw your message and left you hanging. You're staring at your phone right now, heart racing, ego bruised, wondering, what did I do wrong? Here's the truth. 90% of guys are trapped in this spiral, overthinking, obsessing, begging for attention, and losing their value with every notification. But if you watch this entire video, I'll show you the 3 psychological reasons she ignores your texts, and the exact tactical moves to flip the power. So you're in the top 1% of men who control the game. You send the message, then nothing. Notifications obsess you. Your brain is replaying every word. Did I sound needy? Did I overdo it? Every second your confidence dips. Every minute your ego shrinks. And here's the brutal truth. Most men become the needy one in their own story without even realizing it. Reason 1, value imbalance. Women unconsciously prioritize men who signal high status and self-sufficiency. If your texts scream, approve me or I need you, she feels it. And she starts mentally checking out. Reason 2, emotional overload to your neediness. Attachment anxiety kills attraction. Double texts, emojis, constant checking. This feels like weight. No one wants emotional baggage dumped before connection is built. You're burning attraction without realizing it. Reason 3, predictability kills desire. If your texts are the same boring pattern, she's solved you. Novelty drives interest. Routine kills it. If she's scrolling past your messages, it's because you're predictable. By understanding these 3 points and applying the next moves, your chances of flipping the situation above 80%. Stay until the end, and you'll know exactly how to get into the top 1% of men who control attention and attraction. Most men immediately try to recover. They send follow-ups. They try humor. They flood the conversation. Every attempt screams scarcity and neediness. And the truth is, every overcorrection pushes her further away. Step 1, stop chasing. Do nothing for 24-48 hours. Silence is your weapon. Mirror her energy. Don't be available. Don't beg. This is your frame. Step 2, re-engage strategically. Text her casually, detached and teasing, not needy. Example, she texts, hey. Wait 2-4 hours. Reply, caught me mid-gym. What's up? You lead the interaction. She qualifies herself to you. Step 3, maintain control. Even if she responds, don't orbit. Sparse teasing, in-control responses. High-value men don't orbit for validation. They lead their lives. If you implement this strategy, she'll either respond or you'll save your time and energy. Either way, you win. This isn't games, it's self-respect and frame control. And remember, men who master this move are in the top 1% of attraction and power. Don't settle for scraps. Lead, don't chase.